Montessori elementary environment is fundamentally different from the traditional classroom. Elementary environments are so different that it can be hard to understand how they work without textbook and printouts. The classroom is full of materials instead of textbooks and worksheets. Children learn to solve problems and think instead of repeat memorized jargon. Teachers are guides, not lectures. They individualize instruction to keep each child optimally challenged. The children are in a period when they have immense energy and curiosity. The secret of maintaining their interest is to keep them challenged. Autonomy is a huge factor in motivation, and Montessori Elementary enables children to have a say in their learning. This environment ensures repetition by offering a variety of materials for practicing a given skill. Language and grammar are not like math and science. It follows a certain set of rules. It behaves in predictable ways, and it requires civil conservation to reach the best conclusion. In this area, getting to know about noun, adjective, article, verb, adverb, conjunction, interjection, prepositions, question words, masculine, feminine, making sentence and questions, pronouns using with grammar filler boxes, sentence analysis board, grammar symbols, and other reading materials. The mathematics is divided to arithmetic and geometry. In the environment, also present sensorial experiences in geometry and algebra. Children are naturally attracted to the science of numbers. Math is the product of human intellect. Problem practice includes work with NAMC charts, ribbons, bead chains, stamp game, the checkered board for multiplication, and reading large quantities using large bead frame, flat bead frame, knob diffraction for division, grid purpose, LCF, HCF, square root using pegboard, money concept, and so on. Math is logic, sequence, order, and the exploration of truth. The exploration and memorization of all kind of tables. Arithmetic is a branch of maths, and geometry means study of mathematical shapes. It includes different triangles, quadrilaterals, polygons, diagonals, concept of volume, length, mass, and capacity. Zoology is the branch of biology that includes the study of animals. It is divided into two characters, vertebrate zoology and invertebrate zoology. In the vertebrate, there are included fish, birds, reptiles, amphibians, osteoids, and mammals. They have a spinal cord and a skull which houses the brain. Invertebrates means lacking a backbone, protozoan, annelid, flatworms, mollusks, arthropoda. These all give by terminology parts, characteristics cards, and definition cards. Then we give animal different species, homes, young ones, eating habits, adaptation, living area. And external parts and internal organs of our body, digestive, nervous, skeleton, respiratory, cardiovascular, excretory system of our body, food chain, taste buds, defense mechanism, and life cycles. Botany is one of the main branch of biology and it is the systematic and scientific study of plants. The environment provides more about the botany studies. The story cards of different plants, types and parts of roots, stem, leaf, margins, trees and other plants. Then goes to types and parts of the flower and fruits. They understand that they are giving us the endless happiness by its colorful greenery and beautiful flowers, and also it is very profitable to man. In the geography, the first great lesson understands about the formation of the universe, solar system and the earth, then the formation of the continents and oceans. Through different continent puzzles, they can study the names and locations of the countries. After they will focus on India and states, then leads Kerala and districts, going on our own place and address. This is the pure cosmic approach. Then about land and water forms of the earth, globes lines are latitudes and longitudes, polar axis, orbit, planets, moon, lunar and solar eclipse, climate zones, layers of the earth. History means study of the past. It is the account of the gradual dawning of human consciousness. It is mainly unknown to us, taking place in prehistory. On a cosmic level, it is the history of all the living and non-living aspects of our world. The clock of eras explains about Precambrian, Paleozoic, Mesozoic, Cenozoic eras of the world. Then teaches the third grade lesson, the human evolution, for understanding how earn the common needs of the human. Then explains Indus Valley, Egyptian, Greek civilizations. After gives Indian history about Aryans, Vedas, Alexander invasion, Mauryans, Delhi Sultanate, British Empire, freedom struggles, present Indian constitutions, 3 levels of government, fundamental rights and duties of the citizen. The physics exercises are extremely important. They are the earliest introduction of the child to the concrete experience of the process of physics. We are not teaching physics. We are only sowing the seeds of interest, seeds of awe and wonderment of the phenomena of nature. These are arouse the child's interest and to give the sensorial tools. There are many activities based on the magnet, air, light, sound, electricity, and many experiments for showing all theories. Chemistry includes properties of solid, liquid, gas, structure of atom, classification of matter, periodic table, elements, components, its common and Latin names, separation of mixtures and more experiments to show the truth of these statements. Chemistry deals with the study of behavior of matters, compositions, properties and so on. Other languages, Hindi, Arabic, Malayalam, we give letters, words, sentences, grammars, and story passages, and addition of the computer application. The Brainy Kids Montessori School provides not only the education corner, but also we give music enrichment, dexterity of the dance, creation of the art and craft, color of the kids' life, passion of the drawing, unique sports spirit and spillage of motherhood atmosphere. We heartily welcome to our school, that Brainy Kids Montessori School.
Brainy Kids Montessori School, Puvathikandi, Arikode.
Phone 9645 275 622.
8943 501 732.